Maikutlo a batjha mebileng ya Johannesburg e bile e fapaneng ka ho fetolwa hona ha kabinete.
It's ongoing affairs. We're living the experience of students, basically. We're attempting to get an education, but things are being made difficult. So we need a Minister of Education to kind of assist in these different areas, definitely.
No more load shedding. No more load shedding. Yes, no more load shedding.
Dry my hair in the morning. Okay, great. Next.
I would really like to see less corruption and more changes in the country.
Personally, I would love to see more young people given a voice, a chance to speak. And yeah, I would like to see a change happening in the country.
Like she said, more young people, because there'll be more ideas, because young people are more creative. And I think our country will go in a better direction with younger leaders.
I think that there needs to be a change in the unemployment in this country. The youth can get more involved in programs, so the president can get involved with youth and get them involved in a lot of the youth unemployment programs.